everybody, Stefan here from EDC Austria, and today I want to talk to you about EDC hand spinners. But first to the almost customary update of my health. Well, the day before yesterday at night they said they just store some blood in case of emergency. It doesn't look like I'm gonna need any right now. Yesterday it seems it was an emergency. They even stopped my iron infusion, which is strange because you have to throw it away then, because the iron once opened can't be stored for an hour or so, or how long the blood takes. Otherwise, we're still trying to find out why I'm not producing any blood, and maybe if I lose some, but I think we've done 4 tests right now, say that I don't lose any externally. We'll do one final test tomorrow, which I'm dreading kind of. Well, I only dread the preparation but not the test because I'll be out. Okay, but now let's go to the hand spinners, and I'll make this fast because it has currently -3 degrees centigrade or Celsius, as one would say. Have a great day. I've been fascinated with hand spinners ever since I saw the video, the first one on Epic Snuggle Bunny's channel, and wanted to get my hands on one, but I didn't find any, and I wasn't that familiar with Etsy at that point. Then he did another one about the great one from Custom Knife Factory. I don't know how much that one costs, but it seems expensive. This one here is a magnesium hand spinner from a place called 3D Printery. So it's 3D printed and very cheap, and you can even select if you want it with bearings or without. So you can buy even cheaper bearings and put them in, because these are already just some Chinese bearings. And as you can see, one-handed, this one is quite hard to use. And another problem is that the bearing sits completely flush, so it's quite easy for you, if you don't hold it very carefully, to touch the outer area and thereby stop it from working. Although this one cost like $17 plus 13 for shipping, making it $30 total. But I knew I didn't want this one. I just wanted to check it out before I buy a better one, to see if the concept was interesting for me. And the concept is that you just have something in your right or left hand, whichever you prefer, to play with while you're working or doing something. Like sometimes I'll play with a pen or whatever lies on the desk, and rather than have a desk, I'll have a nice spinner that also often leads to a conversation if someone sees it. And now we go to the nice one. It was the nicest one I could find on Etsy. It comes in this nice pouch here. It is full brass, very nice machining, and it runs on ceramic ball bearings. Usually I use the other hand to start it, but of course I'm using one hand for my phone right now. This one costs about 70 euros plus the shipping was, I think, 17, so we are around 80 plus shipping, and then I paid 22 customs. So we are around $100, which is worth it. This one runs very smooth without any vibrations. You can see the ceramic ball bearings. I mean, not see, but you feel it. It runs totally smooth, and there is no contact. There shouldn't be whatsoever. And of course, it's a bit higher up, so you can also put this down on a flat surface, which I'll film once I get back in the room. So it's spinning, as you can see. It was running a while because this thing wouldn't record. Well, you get the idea back to me. Yeah, I forgot to say, I'll link you to both of the spinners on Etsy, because it might be hard to find a good one right away. That's pretty much all I forgot. It's the good one, the brass one, is from a company called Fidget Gear. And the first one, the tri-spinner, is from some other company called 3D Printery or something like that. Once again, have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.